Wait 5 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes. Okay. Today we will discuss about how to prepare the interview point of view. See, straight and camera, and we will proceed the interview. Okay. Today we how to remove the fairness during the interview and straightforward questions. What are the questions we face in interview? Today I will deliver the whole things. Okay. How concepts are in there in WebSphere and DevOps and AWS. What are the things happened in the real time? We will discuss about straightforward. Okay. Tell me about yourself means myself Ganesh, having 7+ years of Outlight experience, currently associated in IT organizations. Straight see the camera and tell the about yourself. Okay, my roles and responsibilities are installing installation manager and VAS configurations and profiles and clustering, data source and SSL certification and management and endpoint security and incident management and change task and emergency tasks and out of memory issues and application slowness. These are the my roles and responsibilities in the WebSphere. And Apache and WebLogic, I have actual knowledge in WebSphere, WebLogic, Apache, Tomcat, and DevOps, AWS, and Kubernetes. These are the my roles and responsibilities. Okay, this is the first 10 minutes or 15 minutes during the starting interview. This is the 15 minutes time taken or 5 minutes. After this, what are the questions we have faced? We will show one by one in detail. Straight camera, don't say by her sides, okay? Straight forward. I'll tell the interview questions. I will open notepad. Interview questions and answers. 1 minute. In this, what are the roles and responsibilities in the current organization, current or previous organizations? Stride C and tell the answers. What are the answer is? Installing the web sphere, install it the web sphere and configuring the profiles and clustering from the scratch and HS and plugins configuration did in my employment and deploy the various client side applications in the DMGR console or side by side deployment or through scripts we have deployed we did this process okay. After this is second point, resolve the issues and application slowness and why dumps are generated. We have find out at the solutions okay. And after this, resolve the resolve the server related issues, that is start or stop servers or unhealthy servers, etc. Data source creation, creating new data source and troubleshooted the data source issues, resolved the P1, P2, P3 during my shifts. During my shifts, attended the client calls and bridge calls in the shifts based on the scenarios. Tracking the servers in WebSphere and Apache. Tomcat, WebLogic, suppose WebLogic for every 3 months. We will take downtime for this. Okay, we will take downtime for this. We will take downtime for this. We will SOP for all tasks and keep it up repository suppose. The other roles and responsibilities in the organizations. After this, after this, how to update the ports in the web sphere, in the IBM web sphere. The other question I faced at one of the interviews. There is one of the configuration file is there. Update port to .ini is there. In this file, we have to update the port numbers. Okay. After this, suppose while installed the product in the root. Okay. After some days, client wants to install fixpack through the other user, through the VAS admin users. Is it possible way for the for this time? I faced this. Okay, answer no, because it shows it shows installation manager is installed in another user. I will show this. I will show this. I will show practicals. I will start a server. So I have issue. What is this? We have verified the troubleshoot. Shift to G. What is the error we can see? The name of server during the warning namespace will not be configured correctly. Okay, error during the initialization. Possible spaces are not to be constrained. Okay. What is the error occur during the encounter for the core group num java.io.null point exception server index.xml file not there. So custom node 1 is not available. So that is the issue. No issues. Okay. I will clean up that one. I already removed a custom node 1. This encounter custom node 1 or server index.xml file is not there. I will check this nodes. I already removed it. See, I already removed it. CD. One minute. CD logs. CD FFDC. Okay, in this we have to open this. Okay, CD config cells dmjar cell CD nodes. I will clean up the node. Customctl stop firewall D. It means recently I have removed the custom node 1 that is already exist. That is the issue. Okay, we remove the configurations. Okay, there is no cluster, right? No, in the cluster we also remove this node. Yes, this is the cluster is there. Okay, I will check. Okay, I will see this. Okay, no, because another user. So I will install the product. I will show you. Sudo. So okay, now I am installing the product. Okay, so I will WinSCP. I have 21 version is there. Okay, I have 21 version. I configure. I forwarded. Okay, through WinSCP, I copied the binaries through WinSCP. I will show this. After this, unless I will show. Suppose I have someone. I have suppose someone already installed the product. VS product. You have by mistakenly installed it. Is there any issues? Is there any issues? Two times installing. Is there any issues? Answer no, no issues found. But history info.sh in this command shows in the screen installed the product two times. Two times. I will show you this also. See, I am the VAS admin user. Okay. Suppose I have WebSphere. I am installing the VAS. Okay. Again, I am installing the VAS. CD VAS. Okay. This purpose, I have find out the offering ID. I am find out in the offering ID. I will find out offering ID through this command. Okay. This CD IBM installation manager Eclipse tools. So I stop the servers. PSFNF pipe symbol grep Java. No process phone. Okay, no process. So I am installing the VAS product. Already installed. See, why is- okay, I have read. Okay, no issues. I will find out. Okay. No space left in the device. Okay. DF space hyphen GT. DF space hyphen H. 100 space root is 100 space 100. That is the reason. RM space. Yep. Okay. After this, IBM space RM VAS name. DF space hyphen H. Okay. I have now. I have okay. Is it? Now I am going to install the space is not there. That is the issue. Clips tool. DF space hyphen H. We have space. Dot slash list installed packages. In this, I have VAS 8 and VAS 9 is available. I am installing VAS 8 product one more time. See, I have installed VAS 8 product one more time. Okay, I have VAS 9 also is there, but I have installing VAS 8 product Dot. This is the version I have seen. Dot class I am shared installed offering ID of the WebSphere installation directory WebSphere same path I will install. Okay, no hyphen asset license hyphen show progress hyphen repositories WebSphere yes repository.config config. Okay, this is the product installing. I already installed it. I am trying to installing. Is there any issues? I also don't see check. Okay, I forgot asset license. I forgot what is. I forgot installation directory. Okay, repository spelling mistake. I am trying to I am trying to install the product one more time. I don't know. Therefore, the another person is installed. I also don't know. So I am planning to install one more time for VAS product. Is there any issues? Is there? We have find out. This is the most repeated interview question in this. I am trying to. We have trying to install another time product. Is there any issues? We have find out. I have no issues. Okay, no issues. We have faced it. See the camera and straightforward answers. See. So this time 30 11. So there is no issues. This is the evidence. No issues. This is the evidence. And the somebody installed 8. Now I am planning to install again one more time. Is there any issues? No issues. Success, success. Okay. So no issues. Find out how to federate it. How to federate the node to DMGR and how many ways and how many ways to federate the node to DMGR. Somebody says one time one way. Somebody says two ways. What is correct? Okay, there is two ways to federate the node. Okay, one is command line. Second one is GI mode. Okay, go to VAS home, VAS home, profiles, appsrv1 and a bin. In this, we have to run dot slash yard node dot sh and a dmjar host name. This is my host name. Dmjar soap connector port number is C. 7879. How to check dmjar soap connector port number? Okay, I will show how to check dmjar soap connector port number. Right? After this, some steps are triggered into the dmjar and find out in server. Okay, stop the servers if running, connecting to the dmgr using sub connector 8879. It will shows like this. Sub connector like this. After this, adding the application server configuration node to dmgr underscore cell. After this, federating the node to dmgr. After this, sync the node to dmgr. These are the steps. Sync the node to dmgr. After this, node launch it. Node agent launch it. Node agent launch it. Okay, the other steps. Okay, and finally we achieved the federation. Okay, this is the steps. Okay, these are the steps how to check the dmj soap connector. This is the path. Okay, about this profile.txt. Okay, explain me in detail node concepts. Okay, explain in detail node concepts. In this, what is the node concept here? The VAS 8.x, some 8.0 or some VAS 8.x onwards, clustering, performance, etc. is implemented. Okay, in this, every application server have its own console, own DMGR console for deploying applications. Application deploying purpose. Okay. For old versions, we can observe. We can observe or new versions also. Before federation, it's happening before federation. Federation. Okay. Every application server have its own console. So I will no, I will. This is I will install the profiles. I will check is there or not. Dot slash manage profiles dot sh. How to create the profiles? Hyphen create hyphen profile name appsrv03 hyphen profile path WebSphere IBM WebSphere app server profile templates. Here there is some. What is the difference between managed and unmanaged? Here asking, or sometimes what is the default and what is the managed? Here asking. Here default means default means in this here what is difference between managed versus default. I faced this. Manager have no server configurations, that is custom profile. Custom profile, it consists of empty node. There is no server. Okay. For default consists of node configuration, application server process is present under the node. Okay, this is the difference. Some of the interview questions, some of the interviews I faced this. And what is difference between manager versus unmanaged node? Okay, this is already seen. This is manager server. What is unmanaged server? Unmanaged server supports generic servers, Apache servers, web servers, etc. etc. Okay, like this. This is the answer. Okay, this is answer. Okay, after this, I will use default for application server. Hyphen cell name appsrv underscore cell 3 hyphen node name appsrv underscore node 3 node 3 hyphen server name. I will give my own name, test server hyphen server type. What is the server? This is application server. I will give my own port number hyphen starting port. I will give between 0 to 65,535. You can give like this. Suppose I will give 19023. Okay. After this, I will give and okay jobs. So I will go to the one step back here. Some errors exit. Okay. What error is triggered? Okay. Create spelling mistake. Create spelling mistake. CREATE, right? Logs, under the logs, CD, manage profiles. This is the PWD Here, OPT, IBM, WebSphere, app server, logs, manage profiles in your laptop. App server 2, okay, app server, I am not used app server 2, but okay, it's giving, it's coming app server 2, okay. Don't use same profile name in everywhere. I given app server 3 already, but by mistakenly it happens. Template path is the error, okay. WebSphere IBM, WebSphere app server, profile templates, default. This is the actual command, okay. If any issues, we can troubleshoot. Dot slash manage profiles dot sh is the script. We can create, delete profiles. Iphone profile name app srv03 iphone profile path. This is the path we can install the profiles. Previously we got error, so I troubleshooted if any issues. Iphone template path. This is the templates I am using default. Okay, I already explained what is the difference between default, manager, unmanager templates. Iphone cell name, iPhone node name, and server. This is the error. Okay, this is no issues. This okay under logs, manage profiles. Under this see created tail space iPhone 5F log. Check. Every application server have your own console. I will prove in the I will evidence. I will show the evidence so many times. This question is asking without a DMGR how to deploy the application. Yes, we have deployed the application without a DMGR also. How to deploy the application without a DMGR? Yes, we can deploy. Yes, yes, we can deploy. We can deploy the application without DMGR. Yes, how they will ask how they will ask how they will ask how means we will deploy the application in the application server. So, okay, there is no DMGR. How they come application server? They ask at interviews. In this, we will tell you every application server have every application server profiles have default server is there. So that is server one. So in this concept, we will deploy the applications in the application server level in this HTTP in this in organization HTTPS. Okay, HTTP VAS server. First, I created DMGR, right? 9060 here 9061. I have already created 9060 9060. Okay, and use I have created already 19023, right? 19023 slash IBM slash console. This is the DMGR console for application server. Console for APP 03 profile. I will show evidence say success. No, I will start the server. No, I am starting the servers. Set it in. So start server. I will, okay, after this, I will show evidence. For this, I will deploy the application also. I will check working fine deployment application through application server. I tested already. After this, latest interview question. Suppose I have one server is configuring in Windows machine, and latest interview question. Okay, and another I have installed app appsrv1 profile in another OS, that is Linux. Is there possibilities to federate the node? Okay, we have in this verify ping. Check, I will verify my ping iphone f 192.168.88.128. This is the my VMware IP address. Yeah, ping is working. No issues. If ping is working fine, no issues for federation. No issues for federation. Federation is happening different ways also. This is already I have. This is already did last time videos. Please check the my videos. Video name is name of the video. Please refer my videos. Federation of nodes in different ways. This is the video. Please watch this. Okay, we can configure. Okay, I started. Go to the logs. What are the name? 19024 is there. Okay, 19024. Okay. I will open HATV. IBM slash console. I am opening the application server 3 console. No DMGR. I am opening application server 3 console. It is not a DMGR. It's not a DMGR. I am opening application server 3 console. It's not DMGR. Okay. Please remember, this is application server 3 console. See, I will show evidence. PWD. I am not a DMGR. See, this is application server 3 console 19024. I am logging the console and I am deploying the application. Okay. This, go to the applications, click application type. I'm creating new application. Click new application. Every application server profile have own console. So I am deploying the applications in this way. So many interviews, this question is commonly asking this. This is the common interview question. In this, see, I have one plants by WebSphere ER file is there. Next, see, I am going this fast forward path. That's it. After this, next, select all, select this, and here apply. I am deploying the application under this only one server. See, there is no DM jar, no, nothing is there. I am deploying the application without the DM jar also. For this, we can small introduction about DevOps and AWS Kubernetes. Already, we will just a small introduction after interview questions. I will already informed in this. I have aware AWS and DevOps interview. I have knowledge, so I planned the some of the how to check knowledge in DevOps interview questions. We will see. Okay, see plans by WebSphere. I am starting the application. We have application. What are the application accessing port number? This is application is accessing port number 19023 HTTP. There is no secure right 19023. This is secure port number 19026. Secure port number. This is the soap connector port number. This is bootstrap port number. Okay. Server is selected. Okay. I am accessing the application. Okay. Yeah. If you're not there, you will configure under virtual host. Okay, wait. I will verify server under the ports under this 19023 is there already. 19024. Sorry, admin 1902. 19023. Okay. I mistyped URL. Yeah. Application is assets. So application access without a DMGR. There is no DMGR is there. So I have deployed the application. I access the application. This I mistyped URL. Mistyped URL. Okay, that also issues. See, this is okay. In this listening port number also important. DCS. DCS listening port number means this is the communication address. See, this is communication address. DCS secure enable. Okay. In this is okay. I deployed application. It verified. Suppose what are the Linux commands? You do you know some basics? What are the Linux commands? Do you apply in the current or current or your employment? Okay. CD change directory, mkdir, ping, telnet, find, scp, sftp, and rm. I am using ch mode. I am ch wound. I am using swap. This is the basic commands. They are the basic Linux commands. in the interview point of view, if anybody asks the basic comments, and MV also use MV using copy command, CP space hyphen PR, file name one to another destination file. Okay, this how to create the file by using touch command to create the file touch file name dot txt or XML like this XML or sh or dot sh. Okay, how to delete? How to delete particular file in the format dd. How to copy the files? How to copy the lines in the file? Answer yy. Okay, these are the basic commands we have faced in some of the interviews. Suppose in test connection is failure. What are the steps we have taking from your end? Okay, the test connection failed. We have verified from my end for test connection. If fails, check the node agent logs, that is system out.log and system logs present under the this webs. This is my path. We have your own path is there. Okay, websphere app server profiles appsrv01 logs under this node agents under this system out.log system er.log. I will show it is present the same. Yes, everyone. cd bin dot slash start server dot sh. Okay, backend it will run. Okay, cd logs under this. See, this is the node agent. Okay, cd. This is after this. This is the system out and system error dot logs. This is the system out and system error dot logs under the path. Okay, verify this and communicating DB team for host name or IP address. Check etc host DB host name or IP address properly configured or not. Okay, for everyone every server. This is the we have check verify DB host name While interview straight camera, don't look left and right and the back side. Okay, straight forward. DB host time properly when or not check. DB properties file in the server level. I will show there is logs CD. I think upward number is already used. I think last time also same issue I faced. No file in such directory. Okay, already file is not there. Means I have already removed it backend, so that why it shows configuration are not there. Okay, so in this that is the issue. No issues other than that is the already removed it. That is the issue. So cd dmgr bin dot slash cleanup node. Okay, we use dot slash cleanup node. Means we have to remove the unwanted configurations. Cleanup node hyphen profile name custom 01. Okay, hyphen dmj host VAS server. No, I am already dmj, right? This is after node 1 cannot be found. You wish to use it. Hyphen profile name parameter is not required. I can clean up. I already deleted, so this is the issues happen. Configuration, okay. This is the configuration issue. Okay, okay. We can remove this. I stop at a server. So I have clean clear cause catchy dot clear voyage fg dot init dot sh. By using cleanup node means we have to defedate the we have to remove the unwanted configurations by using cleanup node dot sh. This is one of the WebSphere certification question. RM space RF temp double S temp config RM space RF temporary files. Don't use RM space RF anywhere. Based on the scenarios we can use. Otherwise, we cannot some unwanted some important files we have to cannot revert back. Okay, suppose how to take backup of profiles without stop stopping the servers using dot slash backup config.sh hyphen no stop. This will render on VS home VS home. Under this profiles appsrv01 or dmjar can use. We can take dmjar01 or bin we can use backup config.sh. Kill all Java means we can all the process skills at a single point of time. So I will dot slash and I copy paste shift insert dot slash backup config.sh hyphen no stop backing up the directories. See for how to restore dot slash config.sh. I forgot the name that wise it's showing like this. This is the file name, right? This is the file name. I am restoring the config dot slash restore config. Suppose I am deleted one file. Okay, I am deleted rm space rf rf. This is the copy. This is uh, this is this is copying of the one of the temp folder. I am using rm space rf. Okay, by mistakenly happened. By mistakenly happened. Okay, by mistakenly happened this. We also don't know. By mistakenly somebody deleted. Okay, on Jeep cd bin no file. So we cannot do like this dot slash. Okay. We cannot cover this file also do like this. Okay, in any point of view, don't do like this. In the organization, there is a common vault is there. We can take backup of this. We can don't do like this. Okay, we can is a risk if you do like this. See, no files are there. We cannot recover. Suppose some people are thinking like this. Some files are deleted by mistakenly. So I have already backup. We can roll back. We can see like this. I have taken restore. How to restore without there not there. So in this purpose, CD we have tried window config cells common vault backup is there. So we can use common vault backup to restore profiles. Okay, somebody deleted unwantedly. Okay, so this is the scenarios happen in many times due to due to awareness. Okay, I this is awareness purpose. I have to see in this. I have to informing this. Don't do like IRM space RF in any point of time. If you do like this is the situation happens. So okay, this is the scenarios. This is the situation happens. We cannot revert back the profiles. We can commonwealth backup is there. We have take approvals the client, then only we have to roll back the commonwealth team. Commonwealth team is the rollback in this. Okay, don't do like this. See, this is no use without how to remove the dumps. Star.phd. Okay, .thd. Okay. So be careful by using rm space rf. So this is the reason I shows in the which scenario some people are burdened. We can by hurry berry purpose. So deleting this. So we cannot roll back until take back without to take backup. This is restore means without a bin how to call how to restore. So this is scenarios happened. Okay, don't do rm space or ref. Okay, this is the thing happened without a dmgr how to federate the node. No, okay, this is the scenarios. Don't do like this. Okay, this is the awareness purpose I have to did this. Don't date in your anywhere employment. Don't do like this. Don't do rm space rf star in any point of time in your employment. For awareness purpose, in this video shown already in the video showing. Okay, don't do for recovering files purpose. We can contact common wool team with proper approvals of the client and project manager. Like this, proper approvals. Okay, don't do like this. Okay, so in this, what are the profile types are there? So how many profile types? What are the profile types available in the WebSphere? So in these seven types of profiles, one is uh, integrated management console, that is DMGR. In this, DMGR is another name as integrated management console, that is DMGR. You can use application server profile have default template we are using, but DMGR purpose we can use management or DMGR template we are using for application server profile. For custom profile we can use manager template where is already difference. What is the difference between manager and default and unmanager node? We can see already in the cell consists of the cell profile consists of cell in the cell while while created the cell profile we have by default two profile comes. One is DMGR, another one is app server one. with federated with federated, we will see in this. After this, job manager, to manage the all DM jobs, job manager, admin, agent, to manage the all DMGRs and application servers. We can use this. Management management, and use secure proxy. You can use configuration template. This this I will show in this. I will show this I will show. Cd bin, same command I will run. No, this time I am using cell profile. I am using in this point of time. I am using cell profile. Okay, cell 01. Cell means DMGR cell. In this, this is the template I am using. Cell template is there. Okay. Cell template is there. I am using cell templates. Okay. Hyphen cell name, cell underscore 01. I am using cell underscore 02. Okay. I am deleting all the things. I am using the starting board for reference 19013. Okay. Node name and cell hyphen 02. Profile name. Okay. Everything is fine or not? You check. Oh, yeah. Everything is fine. CD logs. CD. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, I can give dot, right? So this is the mistake happened. Yeah. I will show. Already cell template is there, right? See, cell template is there. Dot slash manage profiles dot sh hyphen create hyphen profile name cell 1 hyphen profile path WebSphere IBM WebSphere app server profile templates under cell. Oh, sorry, in this profiles under cell 01 hyphen template path. Okay, IBM WebSphere app server profile templates profile templates cell cell template hyphen cell name cell underscore 01 hyphen node name cell underscore hyphen node means cell underscore node underscore 01. After this, okay, this is the command. So previously I did wrong. Don't use wrong command. Cd Why profile is not created? Okay, already in right. RM space RF. What is the issues? Okay. What is cell is there? Why is cell is showing CD logs, CD profile templates? See, cell is not there. Yeah. CD template is there already. I will verify I have another server is there. Okay. Profile templates. I will verify this. CD cell. Yes, same. Default DMG lib. Default DMG lib. Temp metadata. Everything is same. Why it's not showing? WebSphere IBM. WebSphere app server. Build. There is no issue with this command. Okay. I will try another mount point. I have installed already. Did. Okay. Dot slash manage profiles dot sh hyphen create hyphen profile name dmg hyphen profile name cell 01 hyphen profile path websphere IBM websphere app server profile cell 01 hyphen template path websphere IBM websphere app server profile templates cell hyphen cell name cell 1 hyphen node name cell underscore 1. I am installing the cell profile. We have to see. This is another folder I am trying to install. Okay. What configuration is? My profile is failed. Intra confirm failed returning return code. So I am trying to install GUI mode. Under the resources. After this, create data source. After this, create data source. After this, after this, verify web sphere variables. After this, restart all servers on node. In the system administrator session tab in DMGR. Okay, the other steps are taken for Oracle. You can use 1521. For DB2, we can use port number 50,000. MySQL 3306. For SQL server 1433. This is the danger. Okay. For SQL server, this is we can enable TCP IP in DB level, and 1433 we will configure. We will show. See, this is SQL configuration wizard. In this, in the wizard, see in this TCP IP, in this, see enable all. In the IP address, here I configure TCP port number, transmission control protocol port. See, I have verified all 1433 is port number. This is the same. TCP IP, IP1, IP2, IP3, all IPs. IP all 1433, 143 you can use. IP6 only for this we can use. IP4 for IP4 all we can use all. Okay, like this. After apply we have restart database. Database is running. See, we can restart or restart. We can use restart or restart database. This is only for SQL Server. This is the facility. This is the step, extra step for remaining databases not required. Okay. In this, can use we can use what is XA versus non-XA data source. XA means we have to connect multiple databases at a single point of time. Non-XA means we have to connect single database. Okay, what is types of drivers and universal drivers location? Okay, there is type 1, type 2, type 4 database, type 4 drivers, type 2 directly establish the connection. No intermediate driver. Okay, type 4 we have intermediate drivers for drivers for establishing the connection. This CD universal drivers, CD lib This is universal driver path. Okay, this is universal driver path. All drivers, JDBC related drivers, it shows in this path. Okay, for Oracle OJDBC by default based on the version you can use OJDBC 8.jar SQL. For SQL we can use what are the I am using here. In this I already used this IBM WebSphere app server universal drivers under lib the SQL DB SQL JDBC 42.jar SQL JDBC 42.jar. Okay, for JDBC Java database connectivity JDBC Java database connectivity. Okay, they are the steps. Okay, what is the main what is the main configuration file for IHS versus VAS for high for IHS versus VAS. Okay, answer is for IHS I have HTTP the dot conf. For VAS server.xml. Okay, for security he asking for security purpose security.xml. For port numbers purpose server index.xml. Okay, for virtual host purpose virtual host.xml. For deployment purpose. Okay, for like this is the like this. Okay, what are the error codes? What are the default error codes? Okay, first one is 4. 4 means 4 series client side errors. 5 series server errors. Okay, some by default error codes I see 503 and 404 issues. 503 server unable to handle the request request is not reaching the server. It's not reaching the server. Okay, not reaching the server. In this, what are the WebSphere architectures? In this, send request to the end user, send request to the DMJ, request to the DNS, send request to the DNS to LB1, LB1 to WAF, WAF to LB2, LB2 to IHS, IHS to application server, application server to database. These are the scenarios. Okay, in this check telnet is working or not at LB1 to web, check LB1 to web, same web to LB2, same HS to app, app server. Okay, same. This is the scenarios at 503 issues. Okay, maybe request is not coming, load balancer level. This is the main, this is the issue face it my employment. Verify the load balancer request is coming or not. Open bridge call and communicate all teams for resolve issues. Okay. 404 page not found or moved temporarily. Check app URL name or port number or context root. Okay, this is verify system out dot log and system error dot logs and FFDC logs for no updation or errors not able to find out system out and system error dot logs. Okay, this is it. May scenarios. Some remaining is basically the scenarios happen. Okay, what is the CMDB? Some of the companies asking, do you know what is CMDB? Configuration management database. This is already explained in the last class. Okay, do you know the SLA process? Yes, yes, I know the SLA process in IT. Okay, there is service level agreement for customer and company. We cannot breach SLA for any task, incident or incident task or problem task. Okay, what is the incident? What is the incident task? Why incident is coming? Okay, why incident is coming? Okay, it will occur in business BAU time. Server is not working or application is not opening like this time suddenly trigger the incident monitor team or OPS team. OPM is Operational Coordination Group team will send notification through incident incident. Okay, you can check and resolve the incident. Okay, already seen in the last class. In the incident consists of new incident or progress poll or close or reopen. We can do like this happened in the incident. For the change for the change for the configuration changes, ER file updation or SSL certification renewal purpose, we have open a change and and takes approval from application owners, cab authority board approvals and manager approvals need to be approved. And in the change we have write complete steps and backout plan backout plan backout plan. Okay, after this starting date, end date, we can mention start date, we can mention end date, we can mention this. Okay, for for immediately we have changed some configuration. We will open ECR emergency change request through incident tasks. Open through incident task. In the incident task, there is emergency option is there. We can manage the emergency app and we can use like this. We can open emergency. Okay, take approval from ECR. Takes approvals from ECB approvals and managers approvals need to be approved. Then change should be scheduled state. Then only we will move the change to implementation state on the day and time after change implement. We will inform to application owners informed application owners. They will verify application is working fine or not. If not working, will roll back the change. This is the steps we can follow. This is the ITIL process. This is the ITL process. The other scenarios. This is the ITL process. This is the ITL process. Okay. For what is key DB and what is stash? What is SSL? Okay. Okay. What is KDB means key store and stash store. These concepts are available in this in the key store. In the key store can use internal certification renewal. Okay. Trust.p12 p12 can use domain level certificate renewal. First, before that, take backup of security .xml and key.p12 trust.p12. Take backup by using cp space -pr security.xml security.xml underscore bkp. Like this remaining thing also we can do like this. Okay. After this, sync the nodes to the dmgr. Here, what is the dmgr? They ask, what is dmgr? Dmgr means manage the all application servers in the cell. In the cell, that is dmgr cell. Okay. This is thing happen. Okay. This is the interview questions for this. Okay. Drivers. This is the scenarios happen. I will show custom profile. This is cell profile. Okay. I will show. I have I forgot to install X Manager or Wing, so I will do in the VMware. We have no VMware. I will show next videos how to install Xming on all the things. I will put a plug-in laptop. Okay, everything is Fine. Will show in remaining class. Next class, separate class I will take this. It's not open, okay. Wait one more minute. It's permission issue. So CH mode, iPhone or 775 WebSphere. So not open this, I will open another dot slash double ct dot sh. Double ct means WebSphere customization toolbox. If you not open, we will see next class for separate. I will show the profiles. How to create the profiles in all. It's not opening. Okay, I will see. I will show you next class. Next coming class, I will open within tomorrow or day after tomorrow. What how to create the profiles and how to create the self profile. I will show in the next class. If it's not working anything, okay, I will show next class. No issues. See what is DMJ? Okay, DMJ cell. Okay, in this. After that, suppose suppose my application accessing port number 9080. Okay, by default, this is not secure. We got a incident record. This is not secure. Please make it secure. Okay. For this, I will show one of the my I have my DM jar. Okay. I will show this is in this. Okay, I already did. Okay. I will open. Okay, the DM jar is not there, right? All servers. Okay. Security under SSL key management. This endpoint security, there is inbound and outbound is there. In the inbound, there is no default or cell default. We can say we can use cell default SSL. Under this, we can verify key store and certificates. Under this, we can use also see we can cell default key store or trust suite. We can use endpoint security also important for key store purpose. Personal certificate, see default. We can replace create a new create self signed certificate. Okay, create self signed. I am using Linux self signed certificate. I am creating like this. You can use any state. Okay, that is not matter. You can use India. India. Okay, this I already restored my configurations. So this is the key.p12 security.xml file is updating like this. So in this, say click replace old certificate, replace with new certificate, and click apply. That's it. That's it. And in this key.p12 and a deleted sinus is deleted. Plugin key.kdb is working. See, this is new certificate. We can extract, no issues. See, extract. We can use WebSphere extract dot cer. Okay, SPHE, right? I missed E, updated. Okay, after okay, no issues. Okay, this is the thing happened. So we can create a key store. So sell default key stores. So in this personal certificate request, in this we can use CSR for this. So in the like this we also configure for TLS version. This is the cell default key store and quality of production. This is the TLS version. TLS 1.2 and 1.2, 1.3. Latest is 1.3. Okay. TLS 1.1 is supports WebSphere 855 after 11, 12 versions. Okay, in the console, this is none. Don't put required as support in the command prompt. CD WebSphere IBM WebSphere app server profiles and run CD properties ssl.client.properties ssl.client.properties. We can take back